That's me.
Hey, baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? You know you don't reach your bus stop. Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Don't get too stuck up. Bend them in.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a vlog. As you guys already saw in the title, I'm going to be doing something exciting. I'm going to actually be doing something I haven't done in years. If you follow me very well, you guys know that I sing, and I've said it once or twice on the channel that I used to do that professionally, like go to the studio, record songs, perform and all that stuff. Yes. So I actually didn't do that for a couple of years because I've been focusing more on my makeup business and then my YouTube channel. But recently I've been having this urge to do it, and a lot of my friends, like some of them that actually used to follow me while I used to do it back then, are like, oh, I should go back to it, I should get back into it and stuff. And by a lot of my friends, like the two that have been on my neck, there are two of them. So one of them actually invited me over to the studio today. There's actually a song. It's not my song. I'm going to be featured on the song. So I just wrote my verse. They sent the song to me. I wrote my verse already, and I'm going to voice it in the recording studio. I'm going to be traveling like from one end of Lagos to another end of Lagos. Like that's how far where I'm going to is. So I have a big bag here. Don't ask where I have a big bag. I have a lot of stuff here just in case I can't make it back home because of how far that place is. And if you know anything about recording could take hours and stuff. So I'm pretty excited. And how do I look? You guys, like, look, I'm wearing like rugged jeans and stuff, and look at my hair. Like, this is like some Patra hair inspiration because I'm going to be channeling my inner Patra in the studio today. Like, so yeah, I'm feeling good. Like, look at my nails, guys. My girl made my nails for me. One of them already came off. I'm going to be buying super glue on my way out. Look at, so that I could just do it. And you guys, it's almost 12. I need to be out of here because I really do not have the time. I just want you to see what I'm putting on. This is my rugged jeans, and I have this one. I have my scarf. Oof, what's going on here? I have my scarf just in case like it gets too hot. Then guys, I never ever wear sunshades, but I'm going to be wearing one today. I never wear sunshades because somehow I always feel like I'm blind whenever I put them on. I'm so uncomfortable with them. But look at this one. I got it as a gift from years ago for my birthday from one of my students. I used to teach also. You guys, like, I've changed. I just realized like I've had a lot of careers. So like, what do you guys think? Does this complete the look? Yeah, I feel good. I'm so excited, you guys, as you guys can tell. So I think, yeah, I'll put it like this. This is what people do, right? This is what people do. This is what they do. I need to be out. Oh.
The way she do that, make a bad man won't go down. The way she do that, make a bad man won't go down. Make a bad man won't go down. Make a bad man won't go down. Yeah. The way she do that, make a bad man won't go down.
Yeah.
Yes, I prepared fried eggs. You guys say hi to Kobe. Kobe said he doesn't show on camera. Kobe is cooking for me. After promising me spaghetti, next thing is Indomie. I'm eating. What kind of life is this?
Yeah, because I bet it's about is expensive. And it's hard to buy. Where you need to pay yourself. Yeah, if you not find tomato to buy, where would you find tomato yourself?
Only me. You used the tomato. Use tomato again to cook for. People don't go to the market, Abby. I can just imagine, you guys. That's the rest of the crew.
Especially inside that most of the market women have to go to my two devices.
They have to go to my team. You guys. Hey, look at with smoked fish. Correct. This food there. So after I eat now, I'll not have enough strength to record. You guys, see the food Kobe made for me, oh. Kobe! See he's smiling. I'm going to buy fuel. Okay, so you guys officially meet Kude.
Wagwan. What's
happening? In other building. Okay, so you guys, he's actually the one featuring me.
Yeah.
He's a fine boy. Beard girl. What's up? Okay, so this is our home studio. We're going to be recording. I'm going to be recording now. He already did this part. Can I even hear the finished? The one that you did. Okay, is it just that freestyle?
Yeah, I waited for you to come.
Okay, so you want to write yours now? Or I'll just do mine and...
I think what I have to do is to actually re-record my part again. Like,
okay.
But
have you written it or it's still just raw like that? Whatever, Sha, the thing don't they ready.
I can just record.
You just freestyle it, right? Okay.
Yes, it just comes to my record.
Alright, okay, so me I write, funny enough. I'm one of those people.
You did your best,
yeah, that's my verse.
What kind of writing is this?
See, just leave that writing.
What kind of writing is this?
Just see, the important thing is that I can understand it.
Maybe we should look at it, see. How does somebody read this? Bro.
Don't worry, it's going to enter. Okay, so I'm ready when you are.
I'm
about to record.
Let me get your head.
I'm sure too.
It should be fine.
Okay.
It should be fine.
I don't understand. This should just be showing me everything like that.
Yeah, let me watch it.
I don't understand.
Oh, good.
Good day. Okay. Yeah, let them be feeling it. Okay, so you something right.
There's no. We need to. Let us record. Don't worry. Let him record.
No, let them know that we're recording without lights.
Sure. Me like to send them on they wind up on me. Me drop it down, bring it up real slow. A real man never slack on this sea. Rock it on me body all night long. I don't want to take it once.
Go, break.
That's me. So you guys, Kobe does cinematography professionally. He's actually the one filming with my phone right now. You guys know I vlog with my phone, so good day. You love the camera so much.
You'll be artist.
I'm sorry.
Actually, that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, let me continue my verse. I'm starting from the third line now.
Okay.
The third bar. Let me speak like the second bar. Let me speak like. Me drop it down, bring it up real slow. A real man never slap on the sea. Walking on me body all night long.
Meadow.
I think I should do that last part again.
This one. This one I not like the most.
Okay, that's what you like.
It's even these two I feel you do again. He did it well, but the timing is right.
Me drop it down, bring it up real slow.
Yeah, this one's fast.
Real man never slap on the sea. Walking on me body all night long. I think I should do this.
This one.
Yes, and the one before it. This two.
I think it's just, these two are fast actually. This one sits down too.
Okay, so let's just do everything.
I'll keep this one, Sha.
Yeah, you can keep it. Okay.
I'll keep this one.
Okay.
I'm just going.
Okay, see, I even forgot. I mixed up my lyrics. Okay. Me drop it down, bring it up real slow. A real man never slap on this. Rocking on me body all night long. Me like to see the man they wind up on me. Me drop it down, bring it up real slow. A real man never slap on this. Rocking on me body all night long. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
We like it.
Sustain.
Oh, you don't come back. Our fuel is here. Oh.
No good, I don't break. See this one.
Hey,
I will
Jai.
put down.
I recorded a verse in the song that I originally came to record. Then you played me another song and I did a verse on that other song. So I'm eating right now. I really should not be eating by this time. Kobe insists that I should eat because he says we are absolutely supposed to be up for like another 2 or 3 hours recording on 1 or 2 other songs. They basically want me to record as much as I can before I leave tomorrow. So yeah, remember what I said, that I may spend the night, and I am not surprised that I'm doing that. But I didn't think I was going to be recording this many songs, but because of the distance from where I came, it basically took me like almost 4 hours to get here. So I knew that coming that far, I definitely was not going to go back today. So yeah, Kobe stays with his siblings and I'll be staying in his sister's room, just in case you all were wondering, you know the people. So yeah, you guys, finally leaving. For some reason, I did not bring lights. So for some reason, I didn't bring lights. I recorded 2 songs. I was like, not what I was supposed to do, but I. And then I don't know why there is fuel scarcity right now. Fuel has increased in price. Things just happen in Nigeria. I wonder why and how, and it affects everybody. So because of that, they couldn't even get, like, there was no way to buy fuel, so we could do this stupid session. So I'm actually leaving right now. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is life. The girl that hustles, and this is me from my apartment. On my way home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, to drop your comment about what you guys think.